Okay, so in the previous part, we did somehow that when you are clicking on any one of the movie, we were able to trigger the movie detail components. However, we are not able to fetch the details. So to do that, this thing is quite simple. In the app.js, when we are calling the movie detail, we need to pass certain data in it as well. So let's say we are passing data this dot state dot selected movie. If we are passing this, and in the movie detail, when we are like coming there, if instead of like movie details, if we could do something like this dot props dot I don't know what I passed, I forgot, data. Okay, so this dot movie dot data dot title, if you are saving this, and if you are coming back, and if I'm pressing the extraction, I'm getting the extraction. If I'm passing 3 dates, I'm getting 3 dates. So that's how it's working fine. So now what we need to do is that let's just create a div tag. I don't know. Okay, so let's just create a div tag and pass all the components in it. Okay, so we got the title. So now let's say that we want the genre as well. So now the thing is simple. Once we have got the data, we don't need to worry much. This dot props dot data dot genre at the same time. Okay, so why not just make it h4, and this thing can be done in the, I'll explain you how to do the styling as well. That thing is really very simple, and that's why also front end is so popular in React. Description p as well as certain stars. So I've thought something of stars, that why not just first do this and see whether it's working, and then we can make. Okay, so we have extraction, we have action, and we have the description as well. Now what to do with the stars? Okay, so for stars we will use the font awesome. Font awesome is really cool feature, so that just font awesome react link. I don't know, I just don't remember anything. So what I do is that I just remember the Stack Overflow links. Okay, I remember that the one, the who has the like, who's not accepted answer, but his answer really worked for me. So what we need to do is that we need to disable the server for a bit, and we need to install that library, the font awesome react library. We are installing it. Until it's installing, let's just create a variable in its name. In the movie detail, we are creating a variable, as well as we need to insert this link in our index.html file. If you remember, this is like the main file that everything is loaded from this site. So there you go. Okay, it's almost like we need to wait till the installation done. I'm just pausing the video till then. Okay, there we go, we have installed, and by that time I quickly check my Instagram. Okay, so we are starting using the npm start. And if we want to like use our react library in the movie details, what we can do is we can use this font awesome. In the font awesome, we can use this part here. So sorry for this, font awesome. We can close this, and we have to write the name that we would be using. So sorry for this, let's say we will be using the star. Okay, let it load. Okay, I think it's done. So okay, there you go. So we have that star with us. However, it's just a static thing. So to make the different stars, like we used this, we can just replicate this 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 stars with us. So if we click something, we have 5 stars. Now we want to know that if there are like 3 stars, only 3 of them should be colored. Okay, so we'll make a new class. Okay, in app.css, let's just name it as star color, and color, let's yellow. Okay, and here if I'm writing my class name is equal to star color, and just checking it. Okay, I'm getting some colors. Okay, so now what we need to do is that we need to only color this star if the rating of that star is above a certain limit. Okay, so what I'm trying is make a ternary function in which it's something like this dot props dot data dot star or stars, I don't remember, it stars is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then call the function of star color, else you don't need to do anything. Okay, so I'm just deleting this thing. Okay, so now if I'm just copying this function with me of class name and I'm just pasting this, there you go, and I'm shaving, and let's see, avatar has 5 stars, 3. Okay, so everyone, okay, I forgot to do one slight change, that not every, like this has to be greater than 1 if it's greater than 2, 3 and 4. So this thing will only get colored if my rating is 5. Okay, so now if I go in avatar, I can see avatar has 3 stars, extraction has 4 stars, and 3 that's all the 4 stars. So that's how it rolls. Now we have a complete description of it as well. Now let's just add one more feature of edit, delete and create a new. So that thing will be done in the new video. I think this thing is long enough. Okay, that's it. Bye.